Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the unboxing and setup of the versatile Engwe P20 electric bike. First, crack open that box and set aside the saddle and accessory box. Then, gently free the bike from its packaging, making sure to snip those cable ties. Remove the front wheel, saddle, and front fender and set them aside for now. Unfold the handlebar neck and lock it into place as shown in the video. To install the handlebar, release the quick release lever and fully open the top stem. Carefully position the handlebar, ensuring the cables are not twisted. Close the stem, reinsert the quick release screw, and tighten it until the handlebar is securely attached. We'll need some tools now. Open the accessory box. Inside, you'll find everything you need: pedals, reflectors, assembly tools, a little bell, zip ties, a magnetic adapter, the user manual, and the battery charger. Release the quick release lever and pop the seat tube with a saddle attached in there. Tighten up the bolt and lock it down tight. Use the 15mm wrench to remove the temporary axle from the front fork. Remove the brake pad spacer before inserting the wheel. Carefully insert the wheel into the fork and tighten the left and right bolts using the 15mm wrench. Ensure the wheel spins freely, then give a final tighten to the bolts. To install the front mudguard, remove the screw using the provided keys, then remove the side screws. Slide the mudguard into place, reinsert the 3 screws, and tighten them. Pedal time. The one marked L goes on the left side, so screw it on counterclockwise by hand, then give it a good tighten with the wrench. Repeat the process for the right one marked R, but this time clockwise. Use the screwdriver to open the rear reflector and the bell. Position them where you prefer, and once they are in the right spot, tighten the screws back in place. If you intend to use the thumb throttle, remember to connect its cable by aligning the marked arrows as shown. Last step, test the bike to ensure everything is working properly. Inflate the tires and enjoy your ride.